Welcome to Concept Learn.
Now we will see the process of fertilization. What is meant by fertilization? Fusion of the male gamete and female gamete and production of zygote. That process is known as fertilization. So we have seen there are two male gametes. See here. This is pollen tube. This pollen tube consists of two male gametes. One male gamete fuses with egg cell and forms zygote. That process is known as syngamy or generative fertilization. So what is meant by syngamy or generative fertilization? Fusion of the one of the two male gametes, fusion of one of the two male gametes with the egg cell, and production of the zygote. That process is known as generative fertilization or syngamy. Fusion of the remaining means second male gamete, fusion of second male gamete with the polar nuclei. How many polar nuclei? Two polar nuclei. Fusion of remaining sperm or remaining male gamete with the two polar nuclei or secondary nucleus, and formation of triploid primary endosperm nucleus is known as triple fusion. What is meant by triple fusion? Fusion of the second male gamete with the polar nuclei. Central cell undi kada. Fusion of one male gamete, remaining male gamete with the secondary nucleus or polar nuclei, leading to the formation of primary endosperm nucleus. This process is known as triple fusion, or triple fusion is also known as vegetative fertilization. Syngamy also known as generative fertilization. Triple fusion also known as vegetative fertilization. One male gamete fused with the one egg cell and formed zygote. Second male gamete fused with two polar nuclei. Two polar nuclei ni manam emani antam? Secondary nucleus. It forms primary endosperm nucleus. So this zygote further developed into embryo. This primary endosperm nucleus further developed into endosperm. This embryo, endosperm together form seed. Embryo, endosperm together form seed. So seed lopala manaku embryo untundi, endosperm untundi, right? So seed lopala unna both embryo structure, endosperm structure, both are formed due to sexual reproduction. Through syngamy, this process is known as syngamy. Through syngamy, zygote is formed, that zygote is developed into embryo. Through triple fusion, primary endosperm nucleus is formed, that is developed into endosperm. Both this process collectively known as double fertilization. Means both syngamy, this first process syngamy, and second process triple fusion. Both syngamy and triple fusion both are collectively known as double fertilization. This double fertilization occurs in only angiosperms. I have already told you. Manaku plants lo ennu untayi? 5 type of plants untayi. Algae undi, bryophytes undi, pteridophytes undi, gymnosperms, angiosperms. వీటన్నిటిలో double fertilization is the characteristic of angiosperm. మనకి ఎగ్జామ్స్కి వస్తుంది. So double fertilization is the characteristic of angiosperms. I have already explained this. Primary endosperm nucleus after mitotic divisions develop into endosperms. So zygote is developed into embryo, primary endosperm nucleus developed into endosperm. Zygote అనేది diploid state, మనకు primary endosperm nucleus అనేది triploid state, right? These two together constitute double fertilization. It is the characteristic of angiosperms.